Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video you will learn to integrate the forms you have created to collect your leads via Jotform application with a CRM called as Flowlu. Okay, and we are going to do this with the help of automation, and that automation is going to allow you to collect leads from the form submissions you are getting from Jotforms and add those leads as contacts in Flowlu application automatically. Yes guys, this can happen. Let me show you how. So the flow of this automation is going to look like this. As and when you receive a form submission via Jotform from any of your lead or customer, the same person who have filled this form will be added as a new contact here in Flowlu application. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part of setting up this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. And also this automation is going to save a lot of your time, which you have to spend in manually sorting out the details of your leads and then add them one by one into CRM applications like Flowlu. Okay, so guys, now let's set up this automation together. So the first step to set up this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account. And for this, you can check the link in the description that we have pasted for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will give you 100 free automation tasks for every month. Okay. And after setting up your account, you can log in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here like this. And on this page, guys, you have to start working by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button like this. And here you can give any suitable name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. So here I've given the name to this workflow as add leads from Jotform submissions in Flowlu automatically. Now you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created here like this. Okay, and on this page, guys, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So this automation is going to work on these two things. So the trigger here is the happening of any event which is going to trigger this workflow. So action will be the response to the trigger. Okay. So as in our use case, the trigger would be a new form submission received from Jotform, and the action to that trigger would be to add the person who have filled the form in Flowlu application as contact automatically. Okay. So first of all, you have to set up your trigger here. So from this choose app field here, you have to type your trigger application, which is Jot form in our case. This is Jot form. And in the trigger event, you have to select new response option, and it will give you this URL. So this is called as a webhook URL, guys. And with the help of this, you can fetch out the data from any external application to here in Pabbly Connect. So with this URL, we are going to connect our form that we have created for our leads or customers. And after that, we are going to do a demo submission. We are going to fill the form on behalf of any demo lead, and we'll capture the data from the form to here in Pabbly Connect. Okay. So you can read these instructions here to get this done. Let me show you how you can do this. So first of all, copy this webhook URL from here. Then go back to your dashboard of Jotform. This is my Jotform's dashboard, and here is the form, the contact form that I'm using to collect leads. Okay. And from here, you have to click on this more button, and from here you will find the settings option here. Here is the settings. Click on settings. Okay. And on the settings page on the left hand side, you will find this integrations option. Also click on integrations, and from here you have to search for webhooks and click on webhooks tab. And here you can see a previous integration is already up and running. So let me remove this integration first. Okay, then search for webhook again. Okay, and here in this add webhook field, you have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from your workflow. Okay, so paste the webhook URL here, then click on add new webhook. So after pasting the webhook URL here, click on complete integration, and you can see your workflow, your integration is ready. So you have successfully integrated your form with Pabbly Connect. Now let me open my form, and I'm going to fill this form now. Sorry, so you can open your form from this view button. Okay, so this is the contact form I have created, and you can share this form or embed it in your website to collect the leads. Now, as and when someone is going to fill this form, or let me first show you here. In this workflow, as you have copied this webhook URL, it started showing this waiting for the webhook's response. So now this means now you have to do a test submission, or you have to fill the form as a test form or a demo form on behalf of any lead, so that we can capture the demo response of a form submission here in Pabbly Connect. Okay. So here I'm filling the form with the name as Zakir Khan. This is the email of Zakir. Okay, and here's the phone number. Okay, and now I'm going to click on submit, and this test data, this test form submission will be captured in Pabbly Connect. Okay, here you can see the submission has been received. Let me show you in Pabbly Connect. And here you can see in your workflow, we got the data of a response, a form response here like this. And here you can find out the details of the form response like this. So you'll find out the details of your leads here like this. And now you want to create this lead as a contact in Flowlu application. So for that, you have to connect Flowlu here in this actions tab. So from this choose app field in this actions tab, search for Flowlu. This is Flowlu. Okay. And then click on action events and select this option, create CRM account. So it will create a CRM contact or a contact there. Okay, so create CRM account, you have to choose this. Okay, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, and here it will ask for the API key and the account URL to make the connection with Flowlu. Okay, so to find the key, you need to go to the system settings page in your Flowlu account, and you can find your account URL and your key available under the API settings section. So you can read the instructions here. Let me show you how you can do this. So this is my Flowlu dashboard, Flowlu accounts dashboard, and here you have to find out the system settings on the left hand side panel. So these are the system settings. Click on system settings. Okay, and under this API settings tab, you will find the API keys like this. So you can create a new key here by clicking here on this create key. Okay, so you can select the application here, then click on save. Okay, so you need to fill out this field also, so you can give any name for this API you are generating. So I'm typing here from Jotform. Okay, now you can click on save. And a new key is here. Just copy this key from here and paste this API key here in this field. And for the account URL, you just have to find out the account URL in the API settings only. Okay. Or you can see here, you enter your account URL with leading HTTP protocol example this. Okay. So you just have to put your account URL, that is the URL of your dashboard of Flowlu. You can see here, this is my Flowlu account, and here I'm going to copy this URL up to this flowlu.com from the HTTP thing. Okay, so just copy this and paste this URL here like this. Okay, then click on save and you will be connected with Flowlu. Here you can see we are connected now, and now it is asking for the first name, the last name, and all these things to create a contact in Flowlu. So we are going to use this data that we have received in the first step from Jotform's demo submission, and we are going to map this data here. Okay, so to map the data, you just click here on this first name and you will find this Jotform step in the drop down, and from here you can map the first name of the person who have filled the form. Here is the first name. Okay, for the last name, choose the same process. This is the last name. You can select the account type here as well. So account type as contact, category is customer or competitor, or here you can select the category. Okay, I am selecting here prospect. You can select the industry in which this person belongs to. So you can select any industry if you have the knowledge of that. You can map the address of the person. You can map the phone number of the person. So let me map the phone number because we have the phone number here. Okay, And if you have these details also, the website URL, the legal name and the legal address, you can map all such things. And in the owner ID, you will see the owner's email ID of the owner of your Flowlu account. Okay, that will be selected automatically here like this. Now let's check our connection with Flowlu if it is working properly or not. So let me show you here in the contact section. So here we have 3 contacts right now in Flowlu, and I'm clicking on save and send test request here, and a new contact will be added in Flowlu. And here you can see we got this response ID here. Now let's check in Flowlu if we got the data of this new person. I'm refreshing this list, and here you can see Zakir Khan as a prospect got added here like this. Okay, so this is how you can this is how it is going to happen, guys, in real time. And you have to set up this automation only once. You have to make the connections and map the data here only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually. After that, let me show you a real-time example how it is going to work. So I am opening my form again, which is the Jotform. Okay, and let me fill the details again with a different name this time. Let's say this time the name is Sakshi Agarwal. This is the email. Okay, this is the phone number. Okay, and here I'm going to click on submit, and you can see the form is submitted. Now I'll show you directly in Flowlu if this contact got added or not. So I'm refreshing the page here again, and you can see new contact Sakshi Agarwal is added here automatically. So this is how it is going to work in real time, guys. So in real time, you don't have to do anything manually. This is how it is going to work. And let me give you a quick recap now what we have done here. So first of all, in the trigger, I connected Jotform application. With this URL, I fetched the details of a demo submission via a form here. And after that, in the actions tab, I connected Flowlu with this actions event as create contact, create CRM account, and map the details required to create a contact there in Flowlu. Okay. And guys, the good part is you can use this same workflow that I have just created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.